Shooting Association of Meghalaya will be hosting the 10th Northeast Zonal Shooting Championship 2023 from 20th to 27th August 2023. This was announced today by the President of the Association, John F Kharshiing, at a press conference held in the city. While expressing his gratitude to the Assam Regimental Centre for permission for the venue of the championship, John F Kharshiing also added that till date shooters from 6 states that include Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Meghalaya have confirmed their participation in the particular competition. This is the second time that the state of Meghalaya is hosting the shooting championship, the earlier of which was held in 2016-2019, informed the President of the Shooting Association of Meghalaya.
For this 10th Northeast ban penting ba milayo daga jitrailang ba Department of Sports and Affairs miyo ban daga jikashan sokar miyo ban pelong ban host yang adika kajia kaya siap kepada ka Northeast Zonal Shooting Championship ke Bashko ke Bandung adu arkoterik adu arkoterik matapanai August but kebangin pelong tepo Assam Regimental Centre di kumpulan mata di dan rutli jelang kibala confirm pada simbata dalam ke Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh pada negara rutli jelang kita confirm pada simbata kan buat di kepala tahun nomor ke entry natrai limited ke last day submit entry kita ga information kandi kejian akai itu ke long ke jika kai orang prestigious ketika berang nomor ba niyo alat ketika sim ke ar belum nilalong belum tem mencuat awak jar country patnyo but ketika sim ke ba ka Northeast Zone ke ba show ke ba belum ni ha belum ni jelas ada kapali te nakta raw masuk ba ketika berang bok bangiyo belum ni na ai leru ya ka ya kinong he joka Assam Regimental Centre ki spai nama ada kimai maki kemudian dan cakap isi.